In this video, I will guide you how to stop pages showing side by side in MS Word like this one. You can see that this document is showing side by side and has 7 pages. So for this, you need to go to the view on the top menu bar, click on that and click on the page width. You can see that now it has been converted into the dark bold view. And if you click on the one page, here is the one page, click on that and now it is the print layout method and you can see that it is in normal mode now. Moreover, you can also increase the zoom here you can see that. Just increase the zoom as per your need. And this is the web layout method. So just click on the web layout method. Now you can see that the view has been in the web layout. So this is perfect for those who love the web layout. And now this is the read mode. This is the read mode. Click on that and here you can see that if you are interested in read mode, you can choose this option. And now this is the focus mode. Click on that and now you can see that the entire page is fully focused. And now press escape to get back to the normal mode and now we'll click on the print layout option. Here is the print layout option. You need to click on that and now you can see that it has been transformed into normal view. So in this way you can stop pages showing side by side in Word. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.